Stage 5. If your shop is at stage 5 in the 5 stages of shop growth, this one was designed for you. Now, if you've already seen the 5 stages video yet, I want you to go find it a few videos back on Instagram or YouTube. I break down the 5 most common stages of shop growth and show you exactly where most shops get stuck and why. So, moving on. My name is Carlos. I own Shop Positioner. I'm a former shop owner. We work with over 700 shops since 2019, and this is the stage that most people never reach, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Now, by this stage, you've dialed in the system, revenue's consistent, the team handles things without you, and now you're thinking about what comes next. Now, the biggest obstacle at this stage is you. The shop still leans on you more than you think, and the moment you add the second revenue stream before the core truly runs without you, the core takes a hit. Here is the right problem solved the wrong way. You have maxed out what the core can do and you want to build a second engine. Right problem. The wrong way is building it before the shop actually runs without you, or blending it into the same brand and diluting your primary brand. Now, for example, going after commercial tint while your whole system is built around retail is a completely different business model. Different customer, different acquisition, different sales process. You cannot merge them and expect both to thrive. One is going to suffer. The fix is to do the 2-week test, leave, go on vacation. If everything stays together, and the fix is do the 2-week test, leave the shop, go on vacation. If it stays together and hits revenue without you, you have earned the right to build the second thing. Easy enough, right? And when you do build it, give it a completely separate brand, a different name, a different logo, a different website, or even a child brand is fine. It'll be a completely different ideal customer. New is only growth if the core runs without you. If it does not, the new thing just becomes a distraction from the only business that's actually paying you right now. So if this is you, drop a 5 in the comments, and we've created a free guide that breaks down the 5 stages. We have it for free on our website. Just go to shoppositioner.com, go to the resources tab, grab your copy. Hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon.